All right. You hear the red-winged blackbirds. I have 2 pairs of gloves on. Plastic on top, and then a little. Just because everything's so cold, if you touch it. The birds are making noise because they know I'm out and they want me to feed them. And I already got them back. So this is how we're making water. I don't want to clog up my cleats, so I got to bring an extra pair of boots. If you live on a farm, you can never have too many pairs of boots, gotta say. So we're just going to pull this. I have a bigger one, but this one's small enough because I already got most of it. Hear that cracking? Shit. It's not by the house. This one, I don't have any like over the house, so we should be okay. That's never a tree you want to come down. I am worried about the trees by the barn that I wanted to have brought down. Maybe I should just... That's so loud, isn't it? Find someone who's willing to do it. These are river birch. You know, notoriously not safe. They're weak trees. That one down there we could take down easy. These ones, that could come down. That'll be easier when I get the tractor because I can throw a rope around it and then pull. Yeah, so that one up there I'm a little worried hanging. I already pulled in hay. Got my grain all full. Dug this out several times. I chipped it out last night. Just gotta pull this right in here. Okay, there's the water. There we go. Okay, now to switch boots. Yeah, well, here you go, you know. This is what you do. Mama! That's my mama, girl. I haven't really gone over what I've been feeding lately. So she's skinny because she's in milk. So she gets beet pulp. And it has to be... There we go. I'll kind of put you where you can see what I'm doing. Beet pulp goes in here. Hi, babies! Okay, so here's the beet pulp. I don't know if you can see it. It's all dried. Anyway, I mix it with water. And it has to sit for 15 minutes. So I set it up and I put hot water in it. I like hot water. It seems to dehydrate things quicker than cold water. Get that all set. There's my cat, probably hiding. And then I'll do my chores, and then when I'm done having her either milked or getting milked by the baby, I'll be able to... There's your water. Good job. There's no poop in it. I love that. There's some grain. There's no poop in it. Water's going to be a pain for a while. And I'd rather I didn't have to do too much. Alright. because I have on 2 pairs of pants. I don't want to put my snowsuit on. I washed it and I put it away. That's why we're having all this nasty weather. It's my fault. You should know better. I should know better. You guys have plenty of hay. Oh, that's right. I tied this. You didn't like that, did you? You didn't like that much, huh? I don't know. Oh, I'm going to take my gloves off. You're the cat. What did you do? Pushing on it. Hip. B, don't push. You're not going to make things better. You only make them worse when you push. You're being turd birds. Alright. There we go. Really? Chicken wickies? Oh my goodness. Everybody's got an attitude. I hear you. I hear ya. I started tying that because the babies were going in there. Beatrice is not nice. Hungry? There's like caca in here, so I'm gonna dump this in with the chickens and get it fresh. How's that sound? You should like that. It's cat food. Somebody's eating eggs. All right, Mama, let me get the eggs. What you got? I started just working my way down. This is the easiest way to do it. Here, Merle. Cat man. What's that? Good? Is that good? Oh my gosh, you're all wet. Dude, stay out of the nastiness. What are you thinking? 3 eggs. my blue eggers, my olive eggers. Well, one's olive eggers, one's supposed to be blue. These are the girls. And these are the boys. So the boys have corn on top. I should just drag this down with me. And you guys can see everything that I'm doing. Boys have corn on top. See if I can remember that, hey? Boys have corn on top. A room temperature water for chickens. Gonna set this here. I don't want the babies out while I'm trying to get this all taken care of. So Mama needs alfalfa, and she needs the goat feed. Special goat feed. They love this goat feed. I don't remember them loving a pre-made feed as much as they love this feed. Oh, I almost forgot to take you guys with. Whoopsie. See, how's this gonna look if you go with me? Oh, not bad. Turn you a little bit that way. There you go. See, this wagon, if you don't have a tractor, you gotta have the wagon. Better than a wheelbarrow. So they're done. Chickens are done, except for water. Mama's right here. Mama. She's skinny, but she has a ton of hay in there. And she's got fresh water. Where's your water, babe? Oh, you pooped in it. No one's going to drink poopy water. Man. No one wants poopy water. Ew. This is hot water. As hot as it'll come out of the tap. It's pretty hot. Half a gallon of hot water, and I put in cooler water from inside the office. I don't want to do that just yet because in order to get in there, I have to go past the screaming babies, and that's work. All right, Artie Kumo. No, don't rub on me. I stink like you already. I smell like you already. Oh, I should. I have to grab the clippers and open up a new bale. Okay. So, really, I should move you so that that's not in the way. Can I do it this way? I can do it that way and then just push you. Alright, Artie. Not Artie. Rowan. Let's see. Corn on top of the boys. This is yours. Right there. Hang on. There you go. There's your water. Nice and clean. Thank you. Thank you, Rowan. He does not drink as much water as some of the other goats. He just never has been a big water consumer. This is nice. Oh, you know, I keep telling myself that when finally just working in the barn, and not working off barn for necessities, I'll be able to stay on top of my chores a little bit better. I need to trim our feet. But I've had babies inside on my stanchion. Been almost impossible. Yes. Is this for you? Here's your bucket. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Ooh, ooh. Come on, over here. Get to your water, troublemaker. He's such a turd bird. And he is such a mess out of his water bucket. In it, peas in it, dumps water in it. He's gross, girls. I don't know why you like him. So gross. Such a gross man. Alright, let's see. Now we need water in his. It's starting to sweat here. It's so much warmer in the barn than it is outside. Super insulated. It really isn't. Alright, let's move down to the girls. Alright. Would you do like go first this time? Cindy, get down. Cinnamon. Oh no. There you go. Where's your water? Just dumped them all last night. Cleaned them out. Which is good. That one's a little cold, so I'll put some hot water in it. Hi. Hello, Char, my little pretty girl. She's like a light brown moon spotted. She's so cute. She's super sweet. Because again, Mama didn't know what to do with her. So Mama, as a baby, got on the stanchion for milk. And so she jumped right up on the stanchion. So I held her and she ate. I have videos of it. And so now she's quite happy with getting on the stanchion. Hi. Here we go, Cassie. Grace, don't jump on that. I had someone who was going to come and look at these girls. What does that look like? Oh no. And so I put the glass all together. And then I did a no-show. I gave them a full hot water. We need hay. Hey, Merle, kitty. What's up? What's up, Catman? Kitty, kitty. Those two do not have a slow feeder. These two do. Helps a little bit. But at this time of year, because I don't have a tractor, so I can't haul. Last year it was easier to stay on top of the deep bedding. We didn't have any snow. So I was able to move dirty bedding around. This year, with the amount of snow, I can't wheelbarrow it anywhere or even pull the wagon because it's too heavy. All right, I think we're done with that. Now we need to turn around and go back. Put the babies where Mom is. I will turn you around this time. Mom hasn't come out yet. She's like, I don't want to see those babies. They're so rough and crazy. Actually, she's probably just eating. No. She doesn't want to get up. All right. Need at least 2 waters out. I already gave her stuff. I use a twine. You probably can't hear me. You probably couldn't hear me. I use baling twine to hook my milk containers together. Come on out, love bugs. All right. So look how nice my little ones are getting. Look at that. That's Louie. I haven't even named this one yet. Hi. Well, hello, sweetness. Hello, sweet pea. That's her sister. Her sister is just stunning. I know that she's not moon spotted, but she's a beautiful doe. Solid, big bones. Hello. Hi, Louie. Louie thinks I'm his mommy, which is exactly how I want it. Because, hi. You know you're not going to be able to do that when you're full grown. No. You won't need to climb on me. No, you won't. You won't have to climb on me. No. You won't have to. Hi, Louie. Oh, hi. Hello, love bug. Hello. Are you want to be the star? Are you going to be the star now? You going to be the star of the show? Yeah, you are? Really? What are you telling them? I love you too. I love you too. I love you too, my little stinker. Mama, we need the milk. See, look how skinny she is. And I know that's normal for dairy goats. Oh, it kills me. They're eating all your grain. That's all right. It looks worse when she's bent over. Come on, Lewis. She trimmed feet, and I put medicine in her feet. She's always had horrible feet. I think it's from where I got her from. None of the other goats have as bad a deal with their feet. So I'm constantly trimming and medicating. Come on, in we go. Scoot over. Scoot over. There you go, Mama. There you go. There you go. Up you go. Look at this. He's not even going to wait. She's kind of got a blown teat on that side, which is hard for newborns to get into. But once they get a little bit bigger, and she will try and bite him. Yeah, because it's not her baby. But she's gotten used to milking him. Yes, because you're a good girl, Autumn. This is to help her so she doesn't get cold. See, she's not bad. It's just the way she was standing. But I can feel her bones. So she's getting the sugar beets and alfalfa pellets and goat feed and all the hay she can eat. Yes, and warm water. Yes. Yes. And fresh veggies. Yeah. I got you some carrots. Yes. Would you like to get up? Would you like to get up? No? You just want to be a sweetheart? You just want to be loved on? Is said it. I'm not doing your feet today. You can get up. We did feet yesterday. Yeah, I won't do them. I promise. We need to do the back feet, but we could do that tomorrow. I think I'm going to have a snow day tomorrow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. There you go. Come on, up you go. Let's go. Come on. Up. Let's go. Up. Up. I try to never force them to get in there, because then you're just asking for trouble. You'll get her a little bit of grain and a little bit of... Can you see her? There she is. And that's why I milk on the stanchion. Look at him. He's got no problem getting up there. Banana chips? What? So when I can find bananas on sale, I buy as much as I can. Especially, you know, like sometimes I'll go places and they'll be getting ready to throw them away because they're a little overwhelmed. They're overripe. Be right back. I gotta get you your grain, Mama. I hear you, Ghost. Horse is bellowing. Do this. Yeah. That's the special grain. I have carrots. I don't want to give her too many carrots because I'm also giving her the banana chips. But anyway, then I dehydrate the bananas. And she gets that. Sometimes I'm lucky and I get organic bananas for her. Anyway, so sometimes he drinks her empty, sometimes he doesn't, and I get milk. So like yesterday, I got almost a half gallon, which is a lot of milk. Let's dump this out. The drain isn't frozen, it's just the water coming into the barn that's frozen, as you know. Are you done nursing? So do you think it's almost time to be weaned? No. No, you are catching up in size to the girls, though. You are. Yeah. I know. Are you going to be a butt like yesterday and I have to kick you out? What's it going to be? What's it gonna be, mister? Mister? I know you didn't eat all that grain, Mama. Alright, so, can I get in here, please? Nothing in there for you. Nothing in there for you. There's nothing in there for you. How's your belly? Full. Did you eat all the hay I put in here? I can't tell whether you played on it or ate it. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You're in the wrong end, silly boy. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good girl, Autumn. I know she's calling me names because now she's nursing a baby that's not hers. She has got amazingly rich milk. Her kids grow so fast. Are you done? Can I milk? Can I milk? I might have to make cheese today. And you're not drinking what you should be drinking. Unless you just got your full belly with your belly. See, you're supposed to feel their belly. It feels like a full balloon. Yeah, he's full. You're very full of food. You're very full. Oh, hi, baby. Look at him. This is why I want to be as hands-on as I possibly can be. No, you can't eat my hair. That's what you did to me. Yes, I do love him. He's so cute. Yeah, I love him like I loved you. You were so little. You weren't that little when I got you, but Artie was teeny tiny. I like to get my bucks really early. Yeah. Are you going to be a good boy? You going to be nicer than Artie? Artie was already weaned when I got him. But you, however, were like 8 days old, yeah. And I took you to school, and the kids got to say, don't bite him. We got to play with kids all day. Yeah. See, that was fun, Mom. Remember, he's going to be a 150, 200-pound buck with horns. I want him to know that it's okay for me to hold his feet. Oh, you baby, get down. All right, you get down. Don't make me put you in with your girlfriends. All right, it's me, Mom. Yep, so now I'm going to milk out the rest of her. He always gets first dibs. What's that? Yesterday I was in here, and I just put him out, and the girls were kind of roaming the hallway free. And I look up, and the horses had pushed open the gate. I was afraid to lock it because I didn't know how the ice was going to be. This one's really full. And I didn't want to be locked out. That happened to me one time. Don't eat my hair. Don't eat my hair. Stop. One thing I've noticed, though, with having the babies on the stanchion is there's a lot less dancing. Are you eating my hair? Stop it. Why do you have to chew on me? And the girls were still nursing for a while there. She was feeding all three. So I would put him on first, and he got to drink until he was full. And then I let the girls milk her dry, nurse her dry. Hey, what? Oh, what is that? Get down. Mom. What will you eat? Stop. You're going to make me spill the milk, and that makes me mad. It's wasteful. Right, Autumn? We don't waste milk. Before, I wasn't getting them. Get your nose out of that. Get your nose out. Bro, get down. Oh, you finally let your milk down, huh? So weird how you can tell. Are you eating my hair, mister? What are you doing? Is milking her interfering with our time together, huh? Hey, get down. No, no. She's a really good milker. So I probably got 6 cups. 6 cups of milk today, Ma. That's pretty good. I think 8 cups is a half gallon. Alright. I have to take this inside. I have to go deal with the horses. And I know that bang was CD trying to open up this stupid gate to come in. Oh, he's trouble. He is trouble. Let me tell you. Alright, Mom. Shall we go get everybody? Oops, my hand's right in front of you guys. You can't see anything. What are you doing? What is going on? Some horses. Hi, Merle. My feral cat is not feral anymore. Alright. So, I'll put my eggs in here because when I get here at this point, here's that beet stuff. And then I drain it into this bucket, which gives me this brownish water. And then it goes into her yellow container here. And it said when you start off, only 4% of her feed. I don't know if this is 4% or not. This is more. Because she's been getting... Oh my... Did you lock yourself in? Come on, Mama. Did you lock yourself in? All right, come on. And then this goes here. And there we go. What's going on in here? Come on, babies. Yes, aren't you a beautiful girl? Come on, in you go. Louie, you too. In you go. In you go. He doesn't want to stay in there. What is the deal? What's going on? Are you my egg eater? Are you messing with my chicken in here? I ordered meat birds, which no one... I ordered them from the feed store. Hopefully I get them. I don't know if any of you guys have been aware that Ben from Holler Homestead, they ordered their meat birds and their order was canceled. And this from McMurray's, it was canceled, so they're normally really good about everything. So I'm going to say it probably had something to do with, oh, I'm not even sure. What is going on? So those two are trying over there to eat the eggs. They're messing with her. Why are they messing with her? Why are you messing with her? Stop messing with her. Get your butt down. I know you need water. Theirs is in the corner. There's a little bit of less scratching over here. I don't know what the deal is with them wanting to beat up on her. Could have something to do with eggs. Alright. CD, stop messing with that gate door. That horse is a pain in my tush sometimes. He seems to think he can do whatever he wants. This is why chores take an hour, twice a day. Hi! You stay. No, you're all staying in there. I wondered what this was. Haha. That's what it's for. Because that one is simply push down lever, and trust me, your barn critters will figure that out real quick. There you go, fresh water, fresh food, fresh hay. There's nothing else in here you need. Buggers. What's up, Merle? Merle Hager? Huh? You're still wet. How are you, Beatrice? Alright, let's head out. Oh, I have to get them their grain. I won't be happy if I go out there without grain. Oh, they will not. Be banging on the door even more. Okay, so now I have the horse's grain. Okay, so after that, again, messing with that chicken trying to lay an egg. What is going on? Do I need to come in there? Huh? Stop messing with her. What's your problem? Well, like I was saying, so McMurray's canceled their orders. And I had tried to order like 2 days before I saw that they had canceled the order. Oh, you... Ghost, is that you making that big mess? Look at this. Look at him. You can't just open the door when you want. That's why I always have to make sure that all the doors are shut. Because people can't leave well enough alone. It is just as simple, like tie your shoe. Because if they were to get stuck, I want it to break. And not... Really? You're going to poop right here, right where I'm coming in? CD! Yeah, and you toss your head. The back talk. Unbelievable, I tell you. No respect. No respect. Huh? What's up with the lack of respect I get? No respect for me. Hey, don't be getting... I hate when he turns his butt towards me. He's never kicked, but still, he knows it's rude. He's feeling sassy. That's because they don't get ridden. They don't get the exercise they need. Because I'm old and I work at the farm. Hence my... It's not as bad as it was when I was... When I was driving the bus and subbing. You still have a bale of hay over there, but I don't have to bring any. And subbing all day. So I would get up, do the bus route, sub all day, and then I would get back on the bus, drive the kids home, go back to the school, pick up the after-school activity bus, drive them home, get home, do an hour of chores, which then I did an hour of chores before. And I literally burnt myself out. I was exhausted. Overwhelmed. No, I'm still just exhausted. Because although I'm not getting up early to do the bus driving, I'm going to work early for lesson planning, printing papers, staying after the first like few months were the worst. Literally. Saturday I'd be at the school. Sunday I'd be at the school. I'd be there an hour and a half early in the morning. I'd stay an hour late every day just to try and get what I needed done because there's just so much. I gotta get that board taken care of. It's on my list. So, then they have a bale of hay over there. Ghost didn't like that. So, now we have to tie this back up again because if it don't, I'm going to come in and they're going to be in here wrecking havoc, tearing things apart, getting into stuff, and they don't need to be doing that craziness. There we go. I can lock it, but then I run the risk of locking myself out. I would rather not do that. So as we go by, now that I think we've done everybody, we will double check. We will double check water. Put the light on so I can put you over and see. How is the water? You put hay in your water already? Now why would you do that, Char Char? Why would you do this? Isn't she pretty? She's fat. I thought that she might be bred, but no, then I peeked and she was nursing. You gotta cut her off. How's your water over here, Cinny? Cinnamon. Oh my. You drank all that water, huh? Yeah, I know. Now they drink a lot of water, these two. It's just depends on the goat. And it wasn't that she was empty. She's just a very picky drinker. She likes fresh water, don't you, Cinny? Don't you, my cinnamon dear? You look like your mama. You look like your mama. You look like your mama. And there's hay in it already. You know, if you didn't put hay in your water, it wouldn't get so gross. No. This is another one of my goats' babies that got right up into the stanchion as a baby, and so she hops right up there. Cinnamon's the best. Oh, Artie Kuno. How's your water? It's full. How's your water, troublemaker? You need water. You need water. I may have to go get another bucket. Oh no, this one's still full. It's just... No! Sugarfoot. See? That's what happens when